Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about how the for loops can be used along with the range function in different cases. So, the for loop along with the range function always includes some of the facts, some of the following points. One is for keyword, that is a must. A variable name is required. The in keyword is required. A call to a range function with up to 3 integers passed to it and a colon. Starting on the next line, an indented block of code is required, called for the for clause. We have an example here. So here we have this example. So what it does is, it will print my name is. Okay. So this for loop we have taken according to these points. First a for keyword, then a variable name, then in keyword, then range function with a parameter. We can take up to 3 parameters. Here we have taken only 1 parameter. So in the sense what, this particular program will display the Jimmy 5 times. That is str of I means first it will take the first one, that is, let us have this working with the idle. So let us see how it will display the output. What we have, my name is, for I in range, print Jimmy 5 times str of I. My name is, for I in range of 5. We need to have a colon here. Then in the next line there must be indentation. We will have a print function here, Jimmy 5 times. Okay, it will display Jimmy 5 times. We will concatenate it with str of I. In the sense, it will display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me save it. I will save it with some name for 1. Okay, so if you run this particular module, see, it has displayed Jimmy 5 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is how it works. We have another example here. Total equals to 0 we have taken for num in range 101. Okay, num in range 101 means 0 to 101, 0 to 100 it is. Here also it is range of 5 means 0 to 4. So total equals to total plus num. So it is computing the sum of the numbers from 0 to 100. Okay. So here we have another set of examples for loop using the range function. If you see this particular example, for I in range 12, 16 we have taken. So here we have 2 parameters passed to range function. It indicates this is from, this is up to. So from 12 to 16 it will print the values as like 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So in case of for loop, we can start with at any point. Not only from 0, we can start from any point. Similarly, we have another example here. This one. for I in the range 0, 10, 2, print I. So starting from 0 up to 10 using 2 steps. Starting from 0 up to 10 using 2 steps. So it will display 0, 2 steps means after 0, 2, after 2, 4, after 4, 6, after 6, 8, like this. Similarly, we have another example here. For I in the range 5, -1, -1. So here range function accepts negative values as well. Here 5 to -1 is the range and steps are -1. So it is in decrementing manner. So from 5 -1 will be considered means 4, then -1 is 3, then -1 is 2, then 1, then 0. So like this, range function can be used for different purpose. The next topic here to discuss is how to import the modules in case of Python. So Python comes with a set of modules called as standard library. As in case of C, we have #include stdio.h, #include conio.h, #include maths.h. Like that, in Python also we have different modules. We call them as modules. So module is a Python program that contains related group of functions that can be embedded in our programs. For example, if you want to use the mathematical functions, we have math module. So math module can be imported. It has to be imported if you want to use built-in functions of maths. Okay. So before we can use the math functions, we must import it. To import, we have 3 steps here. First, we have to use the import keyword. Then you have to provide the name of the module which you want to import. Then optionally, more modules can be imported by using the comma separated. So once you import a module, we can use the functions of that particular module. For example, here we have import random. We have imported the random module here. So I can use any function of random module. So for I in the range of 5, print random.randint of 1, 10. In the sense what? This function will generate the random numbers, random integers from 1 to 10. So if we execute this particular function, let us check out how it will work. So first I have to import random module, then for I in the range of 5, so we have missed a column here, so it has not moved to indentation. Print math dot randint of 1, 10. So let us save this. Import 1. So if you run this module, okay, we have got some. So random.randint, random, we have to take random.randint, sorry. We have imported the random module here, not math module. This is random module. So from random.randint of, so we have also missed this. Save it, run this module. So it has, if you execute, it has displayed some random numbers from 1 to 10. Every time you execute this, it will display different numbers, system generated numbers, different numbers. So that is how we can import the different modules inside the Python programs. Okay. Apart from import, we also have import statements here. From import statements. This is an alternative form of importing the statements. It is composed from keyword followed by keyword followed by the module name, then the import keyword. Okay. An example we have here, from random import. So this from is a keyword here, random is a module which you want to import, then import, then a star. So with this form import statement, calls to functions in random will not need the random prefix. In the sense what? In the previous example, here we have taken import random, and you have to call the functions of a random module. You have to use random.randint. This random.randint we have taken here. So if I import the same using from random import star, we need not to use the random prefix while calling the functions. Let us change in the same program. So instead of this, from random import star. So here I have to remove this. Let us save this and run the module. So it has worked perfectly. So if you don't want to use the prefix for calling the functions, you have to mention from random import star. So next type of program is ending a program early with system.exit. So last flow control it is here. If you want to terminate a program, how to terminate before it ends. So it always happens if the program execution reaches the bottom of the instructions. If you cause the program to terminate or exit by calling the system.exit function, we can go for this particular way. Since this function is in the system module, we have to import the system module. So here we have this particular program. So import sys, this is we have to import here because exit function is inside the sys module. Okay. While true, print type exit to exit. Response equals to input, it is asking the input from the user. If response is exit, the system will exit. If you have entered any other string other than exit, it will respond you to what you have typed. Let us check out this. Okay, now this one. Okay, so this is our program, what we have. If I run this, okay, it will ask me to type the exit, but I will not type exit. I will type some different thing here. Stop. We will write stop. Here it has said me you type stop. So to exit, I have to type exit. So if I type exit, it will come out of the program. So this particular program just is used to exit, predefined exit from a particular program.